I don't know if you've heard the story of Thomas Sithole. Very sad, trending on all social media platforms as well as all the news outlets in South Africa and outside of South Africa. Mina, I'm just gonna summarize it for you. Now uThomas Sithole. uThomas Sithole decides ukuthi yena uzophuma nabangani bakhe and have fun, which they did on Friday, last week Friday. So they went to the Vaal River. At exactly 1 o'clock, when they arrived at the Vaal River, they boarded into a boat, got into the boat. There was the skipper of the boat, and the skipper is said to be licensed, qualified, and experienced. Kushuguti protocol was observed, and they were told about the safety measures that they needed to take into consideration. Fine. Hayi ke kwaba mnandi ilentuzana iboat yasuka kele itswa itsamaya boat. Hayi gwaba monate mane wa bona ho monate. Hey, it's a group of friends having fun. At exactly 4:30, they arrived at a nearby restaurant, Konalapo Eval River. And then they decided to disembark and go to the restaurant to do what? To eat and have fun. Because the aim of the day is literally to have fun and just relax. So they get into the restaurant and they start to eat, they drink, they have fun. Then at exactly 17:35, they decide to leave now the what? Because it was getting late, to leave the restaurant into the boat back to where they boarded the boat. They get into the boat. Now, here's the thing. Before they can get into the boat, kuthiwa esinye iskipha siye safika nani neboat elincane elisebenziswa for ini, for jet ski. Wafika walifaka kule boat le efike nabo Thomas. Hayi ke, not a problem. Kuthiwa mabase bazogibela kuleyo boat leyo eyabo, abawu-2 badecide ukuthi bone bazogibela ini, le boat encane. Hayi, not a problem. Laba abawu-2 bagibela kule boat encane. Abo Thomas bone bangena kuphi? Kule boat le bafike ngayo. Hayi, kwahamba kumnandi nje. Hayi, kumnandi. Endleleni kwaba nosisi lo gibele nabo bani, nabo Thomas, ohamba nabo Thomas, wacela oyi-1 ukuthi masi exchange, nami ngifuna uku-experience le jet ski le boat elincanyana. Hayi, okwangempela iskipper of the boat lesi sabo Thomas bama ngempela, both the boats zama laphayana. Okay, i-exchange yayenzakala. Oyi-1 from le boat encane wangena kule boat yabo Thomas, lo sisi waya ngale. Hayi ke, kuthiwa oyi-1 washo ukuthi hayibo, one of the passengers, uThomas akekho, uThomas ukuphi? Hawu, bonke bayamangala ukuthi uThomas, hayibo, uphi uThomas? Oyi-1 wathi kodwa uThomas bekakhona ngalesikhathi sigibela. uThomas wayehleli kuphi la emuva, manje uThomas ukuphi? Hayi, kusho khona ukuthi hayi sekumoshakele manje. Bayaqala manje sebafunana noThomas khona lapho nje, lapho i-exchange iyenzeke khona. Bafunana noThomas bangamtholi. Kwayenzakala ukuthi manje iskipper, after 25 minutes of searching for uThomas, iskipper sadecide ukuthi asibize abobani, asibize babizwa ngokuthi South African, okay, SAPS Water Wing, right? Babizwa ngokuthi South African SAPS Water Wing. Hayi okwangempela bafike laphayana, hawu bafunana noThomas. Kuthiwa uma one of the passengers tried to get hold of ubani abazali bakaThomas, hayi bangabatholi laphayana efonini. Hayi ke kwachubeka kanjalo, hayi bese kusebusuku phela manje. Hayi indaba yakhona kusho ukuthi the following day bachubeka ngokufuna uThomas phansi phezulu, bafuna uThomas, bamfuna uThomas. Hayi okwangempela watholakala uThomas wabantu. Utholakala kanje kuphi? Aphuma laphayana emanzini. Kusho ukuthi uThomas wabantu uwele emanzini. So manje kena le story lesi siphuma kwi-statement esikhishwe ubani, the skipper of the boat. Ukuze akhiphe le statement yingoba la ko social media abantu bayasho ukuthi hayi ikhona into engahambi kahle la. Akukhonakala ukuthi wonke umuntu lo bekahleli noThomas akabonanga uThomas makawela kuphi emanzini. Mabakhulume iqiniso lokuthi kwenzekeni. So manje uskipper naye lapho bayamfaka ukuthi naye makakhulume ini iqiniso. Ingakho ke uskipper wadecide ukuthi makakhiphe istatement asho ukuthi kwenzekeni. So wakhipha le statement sakhishwa kahle ama-lawyers wakhe. I-statement baqala ngokuthi basende ama-condolences kuyi-family nama-friends kabani kaThomas, and then from there waqhaza ukuthi kwenzekeni. Yayibona leyo nto leyo. Hayi okay fine kena. So manje kena ama-lawyer ka-skipper of the boat bayacela ukuthi thina njengomphakathi, thina especially la koma-comment section, singakhulumi izinto ama-speculations ngoba they will end up hindering what i-investigation as well as what the family and the uyabona mabaloko nje bazilile phela labo bantu. So kena istatement esiphuma kubani kuskipper. So angazi ukuthi wena ekhaya uqabangani ngale story lesi, ngoba sibonile nomndeni kaThomas bathi bafuna impendulo zokuthi kwayenzekalani kahle laphayana ngalesikhathi ku-exchange noma kwenzekeni. Kutheni kungabanga nomuntu uyi-one obona uThomas makawela kuphi emanzini. So ifamily ithi yona ifuna impendulo qha. Angazi wena uqabangani lapho ekhaya. Hayi ke kunzima bafethu. This is Celebrity Life Mzansi. If it is your first time, you know what to do. You hit the subscription button and the notification bell for the next trending story. From me, Umtana Gogo, ngithi ngiyathanda sana, ngiyathanda.